Hello and welcome to the 21st episode of Stay Nerdy, my friends. I'm issuing you guys a new challenge because the last challenge was to get me 50 subscribers and over 1,000 views by the end of March. We broke 1,000 views, but we did not break 50 subscribers. But still, we got close, which we got 43 subscribers, which, considering the fact that I issued the challenge when I had 20 subscribers, that's really good. Good job. But the new challenge is, my birthday is June 25th. By my birthday, which is like a month and basically 2 months from now, I would like to have over 2,000 video views and over 100 subscribers. I believe in you guys. You can do it. If you guys get me over 100 subscribers and over 2,000 video views, I will make another week of episodes, just like last week when I made 5 episodes all week, and I released them all in 1 week. I will do that again if you get me 2,000 video views and 100 subscribers by my birthday, June 25th. I believe in you. Anyway, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Dyson sphere, mainly because I just learned about it a couple days ago, and they're super cool. So I'm going to tell you guys about them and everything that you would possibly want to know. And the, 3 or 4 different types of Dyson spheres that could theoretically exist. Basically, before I talk about the Dyson sphere, I have to talk to you about the ways that we rate civilizations. And mostly this is out of fiction, but whatever. The best way that I believe to rate a civilization is based on technology, and we have 2 different mainstream ranking systems to rank civilizations. One of them I don't like at all because it's very narcissistic of humans, because obviously we created it, because how could an alien that we haven't met yet give us this information? Basically, there are 12 different tiers, and the first one is harnessing fire, the second one is using stone tools, the third one is using iron tools, the fourth one is using, I don't even remember, but I know that we're in the, 7th tier, which is the information age, which is, harnessing chemical energy, and then the next stage is fusion energy, which I believe that we're technically in that one, because we do have fusion reactors and whatnot. Anyway, that's not important. I hate that one because it's very biased of humans to be like, yeah, we're the basis to rank civilizations. Let's get to work. No. The one that I like, we're still in level 0, so it's very unbiased. There's level 0, which is just, getting energy from whatever you can get energy from. It's harnessing the energy from your planet. That's what it is. Level 1 is harnessing all of the energy from your solar system. Level 2 is harnessing all of the energy from your galaxy. Level 3 is harnessing all of the energy from the universe. We still haven't harnessed all of the energy from our planet. We're working on it. So, well, kind of. But we haven't harnessed all the energy from our solar system, and the way that you would do that is we would have to build something around the sun to collect all of the energy that it's putting out. Level 3, to harness all the energy from the galaxy, you would have to build one of these structures around every single star in the galaxy to harness all of its energy. Level 3, you would have to build so many things. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Anyway, the structure that someone came up with that could theoretically harness all of the energy from a star is known as a Dyson sphere, because it was came up by Freeman Dyson. Basically, the sphere as it stands today would be made up of satellites, and there are several different ways that we could do this. What Dyson actually wanted to do, I read something that he wanted to basically build a ring around, like Saturn's rings, around a star, except it would basically be one big energy harnessing device. Well, the problem with that is that it would have to be gigantic, and it would take up a lot of stuff. So what we have recently come up with is building a bunch of different satellites with huge solar panels on them that would harness the energy coming in. And that would be super cool, except we haven't perfected wireless energy. We have proven that it's possible, but we haven't perfected it at all. We can only send it I think 3 feet, but that's what they did in MIT. Was I think they sent it like 1 foot to 3 feet. Anyway, in order for this to happen, we would have to send it light years. That would be intense. Anyway, so basically, you would have to build these rays of satellites around, and there are 3 different types of Dyson spheres. One of them is called a Dyson swarm, and it's closest to what Dyson originally had intended. And it's basically just a circle of satellites around one part of the star that would collect some of its energy. The next one is a Dyson bubble, which is basically a collection of these rings going all the way around the star. And the last one is super cool. It's called, to me, it's closest to what a Dyson sphere should be, because it should be a sphere around it. It's called a Dyson bubble. And if you played Mass Effect, what the Geth build around the star, you remember that collection of satellites that's collecting energy for them? That's a Dyson shell. That is super cool, because it is basically it's just a swarm of satellites around this star collecting all of the energy from it, and that's super cool. So that's what a Dyson sphere is it's basically just a collection of satellites around a star to collect its energy, and that would put us into tier 1 if we were to be able to do that. But in order for us to do that, we would also have to perfect wireless energy. I'll make an episode about wireless energy and Nikola Tesla probably like next week or like 2 weeks from now. I don't know. But I will make an episode about it, trust me. I also want to talk to you guys briefly about the recent find on the International Space Station of positrons. The Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, which is basically a particle scanner that has been attached to the International Space Station a couple years ago, just this last week or so picked up like 400,000 positrons with a very unique energy signature. And this is really exciting because the positrons with that kind of energy signature could be caused when dark energy collides with other types of dark energy, and they blow up, and that sprays these positrons all over the galaxy. And that is super exciting, because if they prove that those positrons were actually caused by that, they will have proven that dark energy actually exists, and that will just kick the door open for so many new research opportunities. The other thing that I want to talk about is the Higgs boson particle, because about a month ago I made an episode about the Higgs boson particle, and in that episode I said that they have yet to confirm that the Higgs boson particle that they found, the Higgs boson-like particle that they found, they have yet to confirm that it was the Higgs boson particle. Well, I'm here to tell you that a couple weeks ago, they did, in fact, confirm that the particle that they found was the Higgs boson particle, which is super exciting, because that means that they proved that the Higgs boson particle works the way that they said it was, and basically, physicists got slammed because it was too perfect. The Higgs boson, they came up with a theory, and they proved it exactly how they said that it worked, and physicists got slammed for this because there was no excitement to it. And I mean, there's just no pleasing the general public. Whatever. So just like how the Higgs boson particle the particle that they found hadn't been confirmed, but then was confirmed, and then that confirmed the Higgs boson theory. The positrons that they found have not yet been confirmed to come from dark energy, but if they are confirmed to come from dark energy, it will have proven the theory of dark energy. Super cool. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode of Stay Nerdy, my friends. Thank you to my friend Connor and my friend Encore for giving me the ideas for this episode. Like this video, share it with all of your friends, share it with everyone you know. Have them subscribe to the channel. Like I said, go back to the beginning of the episode if you don't remember the challenge that I gave you guys, because I'm running out of time and I've stuttered a lot. Other than that, all I can think of is stay nerdy, my friends.